Hi, this is Nitin from Tech Caesar. Today I recorded this video to showcase you that how Storefront Toolkit works in Salesforce Commerce Cloud. It's a very powerful tool and being used by mercantile or content team as well as developer. And they use it pretty heavily because it contains a pretty good information to for day-to-day operations. So now let's quickly see that how does it work. Once you will log in into the business manager, on the top right area, you will see a storefront toolkit as an option. So once you'll click on that button, uh, a storefront will be launched, and you will see these six icons on the top right section. If you're clicking on the storefront as an option from the business manager, then you will not see this bar. You will just see the storefront. But if you're launching stro- or clicking on the storefront toolkit, then you will see these six icons. Now let's see that what these icons do one by one. So the first one is giving you the page information. It's a good information for developer because it will give you information that what templates are being used to display this UI. So for an example here, it's a local include and it's a under the plugin wish list. It is a product tile images.isml. So because we may have a multiple cartridges and the product tile image may contain into the various cartridges, so it is giving us a quick information that at this moment this style is being rendered from the product tile image.html, which is sitting into the plugin underscore wish list. So I do not need to see anywhere else. I just quickly go into that area and I can update it. Uh, so that's how this information is coming up. uh, and the developers can take a look of this one. Now the second information is for the content, or sorry, for the content, yes. So here it's you are seeing a product and you can click on edit product in the business manager, so it will directly land onto that product to see in the business manager. If it's a content, then you will see that particular content. So let's say 1 minute. uh, okay, yeah. So for example, here, if you mouse over, it is saying edit content slot in the business manager. So clicking on this, it will, because it's a content, that's why toolkit is automatically identifying that yes, it's a content, and show that link. So clicking on this, you will automatically land on a given content slot in the business manager. So you do not need to figure it out that what content slot is showing this message. Clicking on that link, you will automatically land on that content slot and you can update it and check it here. So that's how if it is content asset, it is auto finding the content asset as well. So you for example here, it's a content asset, so it's automatically saying that added content in the business manager. Clicking on this, it will land on the content asset area. So that's how the second icon is working. Third one is for the search. So if you are on the search page and clicking on this, it will give you that search related information, that what's the position of that product, what's the category, and all the information. Now the fourth one is for the caching. So if it will give you the caching information for a given page. If it is cached, then it will show you the green icon. If it is not cached, it will show you the red icon. Clicking on that, it will show you the caching status. If it is cached, it will show you that how long it is being cached and when it will be burst. Uh, so that's how you will know that what area is being cached versus not and how long it is. Now, fifth one is will open a log of of a of a given page. So it will give you the error log page for a given page. Now the last one is a preview. Uh, so here you can select a date, customer group, A/B test, and or whatnot, and it will give you a preview for a selected date or selected customer group. So let's say that you want to create a storefront content for a Christmas or for the Thanksgiving. So do not need to wait. You do not need to wait for Christmas to see how the storefront is looking like. If you have seen my previous videos, I've discussed uh, the the personalized content, where you can create a content and you can personalize it to via assigning it to a given customer group or via assigning a date or not. So with the help of this toolkit, you can see that how your storefront is looking like on the 25th of December. So let's say that you have created a content and then you have assigned that content to a given customer group, or you have assigned that content for which will be activated automatically on the 25th of December. So here you will select 25th December as a date, and then you will click on preview, and you will see that how your storefront is looking like on 25th of December. That, and that way you can tweak the stuff, and once you're good, you will push the content on the storefront, and on the 25th of December, that content will be automatically activated and your storefront will look like what you are expecting. So that's how this whole toolkit is working. So I will highly recommend that you should log in into the business manager and explore this storefront toolkit by yourself. One more thing, that earlier the storefront toolkit was being displayed on the top left area as a small icon, but that storefront toolkit is being deprecated. So we should use this the new storefront toolkit, which is available under the business manager on the top right area, uh, which has a it's both are providing the similar stuff, but sometimes your old toolkit is being broken. But yes, the new toolkit is pretty powerful. So thank you very much for watching my video. Have a nice day or nice evening. Thank you very much. Bye bye.